Gosh, when are we going to get some rain around here?
That is an excellent question. I will answer it right now. Let's go ahead and head outside, though. We're looking at our 360 tower cam, and it looks stellar. Really, just a little bit of high-level cloudiness that you can see if you look up just a little bit. But for the most part, that is going to stick around for a while. And I'll show you why later on. Right now, 61 degrees outside and mostly cloudy. By 5 o'clock, 70 degrees. We're going to keep those clouds around. And by 10 o'clock, we're looking at 59 and still cloudy overall over the next few hours. Now, we haven't had much in the way of rain for quite some time at Lake Buchanan as well as at Lake Travis. Yesterday, we did have just a trace of rain reported at Camp Mabry, but it was just a trace. Nothing very measurable. We're still knocking on the door of some rain later on that maybe we'll be able to filter in before the end of March. Now, taking a look at what we can expect for the next few days or so, overall, we're looking at dry conditions for us, no matter where you want to look, frankly. Our storm forecast right now is showing a little bit of zonal flow off to the north of us, but that's not a big deal. We do have, once we put this into motion, you can plainly see not a lot in the way of changes until we get into Tuesday. Notice how we have one more trough coming this way, but before that, we do have warm air that's going to filter in the form of a warm front that's moving in from the south. Now, that is a good thing because that really does give us a pretty good chance of some thunderstorms and showers. But notice how this front still stays right about here by Tuesday evening, giving us a better chance of rain into Wednesday and Thursday as well. Now, these aren't the world's biggest chances of rain, but notice how we have a lot of energy in that basket that moves off to the east later on in the week. That could very well get us some storm activity in here. Clouds and radar forecast is giving us cloud cover mainly through the rest of the day. If we're lucky, maybe just a scattered shower off in our eastern counties, but that's really going to be about it as the cloud cover itself moves away. But as I said, we have just enough Gulf moisture to come back on shore, mixing it up with that impending cold front to possibly fire off some thunderstorm activity into Monday and Tuesday. Lows overnight remain mainly in the 50s. Today we're on our way to a high of 70 degrees and winds out of the north even into the evening, and 49 overnight, winds out of the northeast about 8 to 4 miles per hour. Not really a huge breeze there. Monday, 76 degrees, a little bit cooler, but also considered right at about average for us this time of year. Front comes along into Tuesday, a small chance of a thunderstorm, 20% chance. 49 degrees for our high on Tuesday, but then our chances increase. At this point, we're going to hold on to a 40% chance of rain by midweek. Thursday, a 30% chance of rain, and notice one more front comes around, 64. April Fool's Day, 73 degrees. By Saturday, again, clearing out nicely in 80.